Epidemics continue to plague the world today. We still do not have any concrete solution to them. Today's vaccination programs are supposed to combat them, but are largely ineffective. In light of the limited availability of vaccines and their burgeoning costs, we must find ways to more efficiently use vaccines to increase their effectiveness on populations while decreasing the number of vaccines used. This is not actually impossible. I believe that if public health officials use the correct targeting strategies or ways to identify and vaccinate certain individuals in a population, the effectiveness of vaccination programs will skyrocket. I set out to research and experiment with different targeting strategies to figure out which ones public health officials should look into. To model populations, I use spatial networks, as seen on the left, and scale-free networks, on the right. These networks very accurately describe human interactions, which are those through which viruses are spread. Scale-free networks are accurate for diseases spread through sexual contact, while spatial networks are accurate for diseases spread in places such as schools and offices. I ran a virus through these networks to study virus spread and the effectiveness of various targeting strategies. I tested these targeting strategies for the herd immunity threshold, or the lowest proportion of the population that needed to be immunized against a certain virus for the whole population to be immune. The lower the herd immunity threshold, the higher the effectiveness. For my experiments, I wrote procedures using NetLogo, a multi-agent programmable modeling environment. I tested 4 targeting strategies on these networks: the adaptive targeted strategy, the nested random strategy, and the random strategy, which is used today. Though the adaptive targeted strategy was most effective for both networks, the nested random strategy had the best combination of effectiveness and practicality. This targeting strategy could revolutionize vaccination programs. The public health officials have not yet implemented targeting strategies into vaccination programs. I believe that they should test this targeting strategy out. It could prove to be very beneficial.